Okay, everybody. Well, as you can see, we've been making some good progress on removing insulation and wall panels. Both sides of the bus now have all the insulation, all the existing wall panels, all the carpeting completely gone. Also, we have started to get rid of all the ductwork for the air conditioning and for the heating. We've gotten rid of all the insulation was in the corners between the ceilings and the windows, which was a little bit of a project because it was glued in very well and took a lot of time to chip it out. Also up in the front here, we have removed the passenger side dash panels, which come out pretty easily. There's just a couple of bolts on that side and a couple of bolts on that side, and the top panel comes right out, and the rest is just a trim panel that pops right out. And this right here is where the driver's air conditioning and heating used to live. It is now gone, and measurement wise it looks like we can fit a small concealed ductless split unit in that same location, which would be very, very nice. Also, we've started taking out the floor, and the entire floor will come out. Also, all these rails that used to hold the seats in will be removed. Coming up soon, we will be removing all the air conditioning and heating related equipment, including blowers, evaporators, relays, and any control systems, which you can see in the back of that compartment. Eventually, we're going to try and rework the way the batteries are laid out in this compartment, make some additional room, and utilize this for other mechanicals. And in more good news, we've worked on the Handicap lift, and after playing with it for a little while and checking that all the interlocks were working correctly, we've got it to operate and function correctly, and that's going to be a tremendous benefit for trying to load appliances and other heavy equipment up into the bus. So I'll show you a quick look at that. I pulled out one of the plywood floor panels that comes right from the very front of the bus, and as you can see, the plywood has been water stained, and I'm not even really sure what that is. Don't think I want to know. This is the insulation that was put down into the hole. As you can see, it is dirty, it's water stained, it's moldy, it smells about as good as it looks. This is the hole where all that came out of. That's the glue that was originally down to hold that in. And that's the mess from the ducts that you would never be able to clean unless you took the floor completely out like we did and vacuumed it all out. This is a pretty good argument for why you probably want to take the floor out of your bus and start over again. So as you can see, there's a pretty good reason for taking out all the flooring. In addition to getting everything clean and processed, there's also the added benefit that there are ductwork and pathways for which we can use to run electric and water lines and gas lines and any other type of equipment that we want to run underneath the floor before anything is built inside here. Also, as an added piece of information, in the back of the bus there is this trap door you see right here, which opens up directly to the engine compartment. That absolutely must be kept so that you can access it after you build the bus. And for our benefit, just recently, both of the shut-off valves that turn all the water off to the front air conditioning and front heating are directly underneath that trap door. So during the designing of the bus, that trap door will be kept accessible. It may be covered by something because it won't be needed to be accessed on a regular basis, but it definitely will be created in a way that we can get to it if we need to it. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, if you like this video, please click like, please subscribe, and leave any comments on this video below. Thank you.